Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be tackling the bedroom, bathroom and the living area. I'm going to set my timer to 1 hour and try to get as much done as I can. And yeah, so let's get started. So as this video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Brittany from Beautiful Chaos. I absolutely love her channel. I love the person that she is. She is so sweet and so kind. She is a mama of 4 beautiful kids. She has 2 boys and 2 girls, and she's a wife and stay-at-home mama. Also on her channel she does tons of cleaning motivation, day in the lives. I absolutely love her day in the life videos. So if you enjoy my channel or enjoy stuff like that, you definitely need to check her channel out. I'll link in the description box to her channel, and her video. You can go ahead and check her out and let her know that I sent you. And if you are coming over from Brittany's channel, welcome, and I'm so happy to have you guys here. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I do hope that this video brings you tons of cleaning motivation and you find it very motivational and inspiring. Once again guys, thank you so much, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, if you are new here, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Tarisha. I'm a wife and stay-at-home mama of two beautiful girls. I have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. My 4-year-old just started preschool, so I'm super excited about that. And in this video, all this stuff, we just got back from vacation because we wanted to take summer vacation, just have her enjoy herself before school started. We had tons of fun. If you did see my previous unpacking video, then we stayed at Great Wolf Lodge, and we had a blast. But yeah, I'm also currently in school studying, so that's me. I do tons of cleaning motivation on this channel. I enjoy cooking, currently working out. I'm still trying to shed all the pounds I gained while on vacation, and just spending time with the kids and my family, enjoying outdoor activities with the family, just watching TV. I'm obsessed with Discovery channel, all things under the Discovery umbrella, like HGTV, TLC, and Discovery ID, and the whole works. But that's just it. Yeah, and I'm obsessed with Christmas. Like I wish it would be Christmas all year round, all year long. I cannot wait for it to come back. Anyways, guys, that's it. Love y'all.
day, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So guys, I'm left with 3 minutes on the clock. I'm going to try and see if I can straighten the bathroom up real fast. Okay, so I've got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Put these away. So guys, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Leave me a like and a comment. I love to talk with you guys in the comment section. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to check out Brittany's channel. And I will see you all in my next one. My next video is going to be a fall cleaning decorate with me. So stay tuned for that, guys. I love you all. Have a blessed day, a blessed week, and keep blessed. Okay loves, that's all the time I have for today. The timer went off. I only got as far as getting the stuff out of the sink and cleaning the sink. I was in the process of cleaning the sink when the timer went off. I finished that and I stopped the video though, and I cleaned the toilet. I still have the shower to wipe down, and I'm going to go ahead and, since I already have the water with the bucket with the mopping with the water and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and mop the bathroom floor. I'm not going to film that though. I am tired, but I'm going to take a break and then I'll just go ahead and finish that later. If you guys made it this far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please do consider subscribing. So guys, please don't forget to check out Brittany's channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. If you are coming over from her channel, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you found this video motivational and inspirational, and I love to have you join the community and be a part of my growing family. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. My ear itches, and I will see you all in my next one.